Welcome to the Okta release highlights. We will go over new generally available features and early access new features, so let's get started. Generally available features. Okta LDAP Agent version 5.18. This version of the agent contains security enhancements. Do note, in Windows, the LDAP Agent auto-update feature isn't capable of deploying all security enhancements that are introduced in version 5.18. To completely deploy all security enhancements from this release, all LDAP agents running version 5.17 or earlier must be uninstalled, and version 5.18 must be manually installed. Okta MFA Credential Provider for Windows version 1.3.9. This release includes bug fixes, security enhancements, and support for an additional top-level domain. Updates to Profile Enrollment Policy. This feature delivers parity for upgraded orgs who used the self-service registration feature in Classic Engine. Previously, in Identity Engine, SSR was combined with Profile Enrollment. Users were unable to sign in after the upgrade if their org used read-only or hidden attributes for SSR in Classic Engine. Identity Engine now separates SSR and Profile Enrollment and turns off progressive profiling by default. This ensures that no admins are locked out and users can sign into their orgs even if they have special attributes. Configure management attestation for mobile devices with pre-existing security key. You can now use a pre-existing security key when you configure device management for mobile devices. If you upgrade from Classic Engine, you can reuse your secret key in Identity Engine. Desktop MFA. Desktop MFA allows you to secure users' desktops with MFA. With this solution, you can customize the sign-in flow so that users are prompted for MFA methods after they enter a Windows password. Desktop Password Sync for macOS. Desktop Password Sync for macOS allows users to access their macOS device with their Okta password. This solution lets users maintain a consistent password across devices and web services. If strong password policies are set in Okta, Desktop Password Sync gives confidence that users also have a strong password for their macOS device. Lockout Prevention. This feature adds the ability to block suspicious sign-in attempts from unknown devices. Users who sign in to Okta with devices they've used before aren't locked out when unknown devices cause lockouts. Enhanced Okta LDAP integrations with Universal Directory. This feature is being re-released. Okta LDAP integrations now feature custom mapping, schema discovery, and a fully extensible attribute schema that allows you to import or update any attribute stored in LDAP. With these enhancements, Okta LDAP matches the schema functionality already available to Active Directory integrations. The Custom Identity Source app is now available in Okta Integration Network. Count Summary added to report. The User Accounts report now displays the total number of records returned for the report. Product Offers Dashboard widget. A Product Offers widget is now displayed on the admin dashboard for super admins and org admins. The widget provides a cost and commitment-free way for admins to explore and test the capabilities of various Okta products. When a new free trial is available, admins can click Get Started to activate it or Not Interested to dismiss the widget. Okta Verify requirements for self-service upgrades. Orgs with incorrect Okta Verify enrollment settings are now notified of configuration requirements before they upgrade to Identity Engine. Automatically assign the super admin role to an app. Admins can now automatically assign the super admin role to all of their newly created public client apps. Device Attributes Label Update. Some device attribute labels are renamed for clarity and to accommodate the new Chrome Device Trust connector. Okta apps and plugin no longer available to certain users. Beta users of the Ping Federate MFA plugin can no longer create Okta apps or download the plugin. Let's wrap up with a look at early access features now available. Custom admin roles with device permissions. You can now create custom admin roles with permissions to view and manage devices. You can add the devices to your resource set and then specify device permissions for your custom admin. Okta FastPass and SmartCard options on sign-in page. Currently, if you configured both the Sign In with Okta FastPass option and SmartCard as an authenticator, users only see the Okta FastPass option when they sign in. With this feature, you can make both options available for your users during the sign-in process. Enhanced security of Okta Verify enrollments. To ensure users enroll in Okta Verify in a phishing-resistant manner, a higher security methods option now appears on the Authenticator configuration page. With this option, users can't enroll with QR code, email, or SMS link. Thanks for viewing the Okta release highlights. For additional details, please visit the Okta release notes and product notes links, which can be found in the video description.